Today, we will learn some vocabulary related to plants and food. Say these words with your English voice. Rose. Rose. A rose is a flower with a pleasant smell and thorns that grows on a bush. It is the national flower of England. Daffodil. Daffodil. A daffodil is a yellow, bell-shaped flower with a long stem that is commonly seen in the spring. It is the national flower of Wales. Shamrock. Shamrock. A shamrock is a plant that has 3 round leaves on each stem. It is the national symbol of Ireland. Thistle. Thistle. A thistle is a wild plant with sharp points on the leaves and typically purple flowers. It is the national flower of Scotland. Leek. Leek. A leek is a long white and green vegetable that smells and tastes similar to an onion. It is one of the national emblems of Wales. Fish and chips. Fish and chips. This is fish covered with batter. Batter is a mixture of flour, eggs, and milk, and then fried and served with pieces of fried potato. This meal originated in Britain. Sunday roast. Sunday roast. This is a roast meat or vegetables that have been cooked in an oven. It is a traditional British main meal that is typically served on Sunday.